Right, so we're in isolation, day 9, and we have a major bunch of bananas. So what do? You make cafe style banana loaf, you make banana muffins, you make anything that you can put a banana in. Going to use my trusty Thermomix to do all the hard work for me. Not really, I'm just going to give it a bit longer. Into the oven for about an hour. Here's you, get to the spoon. Yum. Let's see how it looks. Let's just test it's cooked. Yep, there we go. Let's let it rest for 10 minutes. Right. 10 minutes for them before they get tuned out. Productive day of baking. Now what else am I going to cook for bananas, because there's still a million to use.